Gordon wasn't listening. He was already puffing through the countryside.
I'm so clever.
Gordon chuffed,
There must be someone else I can show.
and there was.
Watch me.
Gordon chuffed as he raced past James.
I puff nice and smoothly.
Then he raced past Toby.
Watch me. I'm fastest and best.
Gordon puffed into the station. He was very excited. There were lots of people he could show off to.
Watch how smoothly I can go.
Puffed Gordon. Gordon was so busy showing off, he didn't see how icy the track was. Gordon slid right through the station and into a siding. Everyone watched as he puffed into a big pile of snow.
Yuck!
Coughed Gordon. Luckily, no one